So after doing a valve adjustment, the car is still super smoky. So I've removed the injectors, brought them into the garage. I'm gonna try and see what the spray patterns look like with the pop tester, and then also check the pop pressures. Hopefully we can identify what's wrong. I've got a bunch of spare injectors, injector nozzles. Maybe put them back together. Let's see what we find out. See that leak down? If I hold the pressure at just before it pops, look at, oh, it's peeing. There's a leak. We don't want that bad. Pops at 1600. Hold some pressure on it. Seems to be fine. What? No leaks on this one. Holds pressure. Nice little spray. Good to go. So I put this injector in my vise and I'm trying to get it apart. I was pulling on it with the wrench and it just moved my vise, and then I stuck a little other wrench in here and I tried to pry against it and that didn't work either. It's supposed to be like 80 Newton meters that hold these together, so I'm gonna try and hit it with the impact, see if I can get it to come apart. Woo! Look at that. So here's everything blown apart. I've got extra shims of different sizes to adjust the pop pressures. I might just try and throw another nozzle in there. This one's not bad. I mean, it doesn't feel bad. I don't know why it's leaking. That thing looks kind of gross. Yeah, maybe you can see there. A little gross. I'll just put it back together with other spare parts I have and see if we can make a working one. All right, I've got this injector torn apart. I put it back together 2 or 3 times. I tried 2 different nozzles that I had around. I've lapped the thing and it still pees. So what I'm seeing here, the one that I took out of the car is on the right. And if you look, you can see there's a couple dimples or imperfections on the mating surface. So that mating surface, that hits the inside of the injector nozzle housing. And if I look at the other one on the right, did I say left or right before? The one on the right is from the car with the dimples in here. The one on the left is one I had sitting in some diesel from a long time ago. So I'm going to try and put this one on the left into the injector and see if that makes any difference. No peeing. I think we're good. Finally. Oh, I was gonna say all the injectors are back in, but look what I forgot. I pee fuel everywhere. Let me go get that. Injectors are back in, and then we'll do a startup, crank it up. It'll probably crank a lot because there's no fuel in the lines now. And then we'll see how bad it smokes. Hopefully not bad. Okay, now we're ready. Ooh, car's been on. Not good. Got one or two fire in here. I don't think it's running on all cylinders yet. Oh, we're still smoky. Smoky. Still smoking. I don't know. Figure something else out. Well, I'm on the 240D first drive, and we're going that many miles per hour. It does sort of stop. I think it's just a lot of rust on the brakes. The smoking has cleared up a ton since I basically revved it out going up this hill. It's really still gross inside here. I do have a speedometer from my car, or sorry, a speedometer cable, which I can put in. We're coming up to temperature now, so I guess the water pump replacement works. Make sure nothing's leaking when I get back to the house. I got my single windshield wiper. It's starting to rain. Windshield wipers from 20 years ago aren't that great. I guess overall it's not too bad. The seats got totally broken. So I've got the gangster lean shifter. You can't really tell what gear you're in. It's all bushings are bad. So we'll see you back at the house. How bad she's smoking. I made it back home alive. Some of those injectors look wet. I don't know if that's from when I cracked the fuel lines earlier. We'll have to check that out. Oh, those are leaky. We'll fix that. Look at, no smoke though. No smoke. No smoke. Awesome.